fun.
We text each other a lot. Hey, my girl, she loves me. I know I'm on her mind, even when we don't speak. Say, my girl, she loves me. She hit me all the time, you pride. Let them know when I say hey, then you say what's up, and I be like, baby, do you miss me? When you say yes, then I say ditto, and you can hit me back with the last hand symbol number 3. Ooh, I got a clue how you feel from me. 1, 4, 3, a smiley with a wink. That's how you feel, baby, that's what's up. 140 characters is more than enough. And my girl, she loves me. I know I'm on her mind, even when we don't speak. Say, my girl, she loves me. She hit me all the time. She texts me after school, she do it like it's homework. Up in the salon, she do it like it's homework. My girl's in love, I think I'm in love. I wonder what she texting now. Hey, let me get pride. Me and my girlfriend, we go out every weekend. We just two lovebirds, that's why we always tweeting. I tell her all my secrets, she tell me all of hers. When we get off the phone, she says, no, you hang up first. My girl is my universe, I am so in love with her. All the money in the world can ain't compared to what my shorty's worth. They call me double law for mindless behavior. Oh, that's my girl calling. I'll holler at you later.